Hey guys, this is Umair from Simple Tutorials, and in this video we will be discussing how to turn off software updates on PS5 console and games. So basically no auto install. Now before we dive into the video guys, there is a link in the description of this video using which you can now donate to our channel. If you feel like we are providing you guys the value you are looking for, then you can consider subscribing and donating to our channel. Okay, so the first thing you need to be doing is that simply head over to your settings. Once you are on your settings, we are going to be heading over to system and then to system software. So this is now the point from where we need to head over to system software updates and settings. And now we are going to be finally heading over to turn on download update files automatically and install update files automatically. But there is a twist. In order to simply disable that, you need to make sure that the switch is turned off, and you can see download update files automatically. It should be turned off. So make sure you do that. And as well, you need to make sure that install updates files automatically is turned off as well. So that is pretty much it for this process guys. I hope this helps. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, and also don't forget to head over to the link in the description to simply donate to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.